Well, we just finished the new install of a double panel system at Dr. Marion Ross. Shift Your Life. Here you go. Lay under there, and that is some serious power, and our clients are definitely going to enjoy this.
Great. How much power is there?
There's a lot. Yeah, that's a tremendous amount of power going through there. So it's a great experience. A person just lays under there. Now, the one thing with the way this red light's working is it's hitting your blood. It actually will work through clothing. Yeah, less clothes hitting your skin is better. But it's hitting your blood. You know, some people have to flip around back. You really don't, because when first it's going on, it's the way I have the frequency nutrients in here, it's penetrating all the way through. And it's hitting your blood, and your blood's flowing everywhere. So even if I was just treating like this, it's still going to do. I actually had this is a true story. We had a guy, he had a injury. He was a carpenter, did something here. This is the furthest he could do his hand. I wish I had the recording. He put it under here in less than 30 seconds. He had full range of motion. But this is extremely powerful. If it just did pain, it's going to do very well.
Great. How many frequencies are in there?
Definitely 30. Yeah,
Thank you.
30 plus.
So this is Jos Daniel, and he's at Grand Canyon Foundation.
GrandCanyonFoundation.com. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.